want to start a business but have no idea how to begin? Well, you are super lucky because I have sat down and selected what I think are Shopify's top 20 articles on how to start and build a business. I've organized and compiled them so you don't have to. So sit back, grab a warm cup of coffee, and bust out your notebook. After you're done watching this video, you will know how to run your business like a champ. And if you want more information on each subject, make sure to go read the blogs linked below. I'm Charisma Collins, and if you want weekly business tips, make sure to subscribe to Learn with Shopify and click that notification button so you never miss a chance to hang out with me. Today, I'm going to take you on the journey from being a dreamer to having a tangible business in your hands. The first blog you need to read is Finding a Scalable Business Idea. This blog breaks down different scalable business ideas to get your creative juices flowing. A scalable business is a business that can handle an increasing amount of growth without having a negative impact on its performance, efficiency, or quality. For example, a business can grow and acquire new customers without having to hire new staff or invest in development. It's particularly best for online products and services. You make it once, but you are able to keep selling it. A scalable business is also awesome because it's less work over the long run, so you can work on your business rather than in your business. According to an article by business consultant Hardik Harsora, only 8% of businesses have actually succeeded at scaling their business. If you want to scale in any of these business ideas, make sure to do your research first. Now, go deep dive into this blog like a scuba diver. Article number 2 is about business name generators. Now that you have a brilliant business idea locked in, like naming a baby, you will also need to give your beloved business a name. You want your name to be catchy and memorable, something unique that stands out. Maybe not too unique though. Having a bad business name is like trying to name your baby Bacardi or Nimrod. You might not be setting them up for the best future. Make sure your chosen name is not already taken by someone else. We wouldn't want you getting in trouble with the law from day one attempting to name your business something like Coca-Cola or Starbucks. If the idea of creating a name is stressing you out, this article goes over the best online name generators. They create unique names for you based on your industry. The article breaks down the do's and do-nots of business naming, such as keeping it short, simple, memorable, and easy to pronounce. Lassie Barbara Furnicle Ice Cream Shop would not fit this criteria. No offense to Lassie Barbara Furnicle Ice Cream Shop if it exists out there. Also, you can even invent a word or combine simple words. For example, I could start a store called Charismart or Charis Store. I'll let you know when they're released so you can come check them out. Article 3 is about how to sell online. Now, if you already have a scalable business and have chosen a fabulous name, then you need to skip ahead to this bad boy. This article goes over the 9 steps you need to take in order to get your business baby from newborn to grown up and generating its own income. It covers how to find a niche or competitive angle, establish your target audience, decide which products to sell, create an online store, promote your products, and continuously become more awesome. So go check that article out if you want to know how to do all those things. Article 4 is about how to start an online store. This article will show you how to build a website that will rule them all. Your online store should be simple to use, should offer 24/7 support, should make it easy to buy your products, and it should have a web hosting built in. Here's a little secret. Shopify excels at all of these things and is the perfect platform for a new business owner. You can start a free Shopify trial today just by clicking on the link. Once you have chosen your e-commerce platform, you can start setting it up. So choose wisely. This is a must-read article because it goes over exactly how to set up your Shopify store step by step. It includes detailed information and photos on each part of your new store because who doesn't like pictures? Article 5 is about how to buy a domain. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but we all have to do it once. And this article is a great guide on how to set up your domain quickly and with ease. A domain is where people can find your business, the address they type in the search bar to find you. This article goes over how to make sure your domain is available, how to buy your domain, and what kind of domain you should buy. Article 6 is about how to design your website. Now you have to decorate your store so that people want to stay and look around. This article is packed full of wisdom that your new entrepreneurial brain is gonna need. I walked into a store one time and there were 3 clerks there, and they all ignored me. I tried to get their attention, but no give. So I wandered around, got lost, and ultimately left. You don't want this to be the case with your website. You want to design it with your customer in mind and make the experience as magical as possible. Having a user-friendly website is absolutely vital, and this blog covers how to do it. Article number 7 is about Shopify themes. Now, this one isn't a blog. It's more like a candy shop for web designers. Shopify has over 166 website themes to choose from, and they offer free and not so free options. Shopify has themes catered to all different categories. The theme you choose will determine a multitude of things. It will affect what kind of design you have, what kind of pages your website has, even the website speed. For example, some themes have a video embedded on the home page while others have photos and text. Another amazing feature is that when you look at Shopify themes on your desktop, you can also preview how your future Shopify store will look on mobile. Article 9 goes over trending products to sell. The worst mistake you can make is selling something that nobody wants. This article ensures you don't do that by showcasing current trending products that are selling like hot pancakes. Make sure to check out number 9 because, in my opinion, number 9 is the best. Article 10 is about how to start dropshipping. Another route to take is dropshipping. Some people say that dropshipping is dead, but they obviously have not read this article. It's still alive and breathing, just like I am right now. Think of it like this. You are Dora, on a mission to find out the secrets of dropshipping. And this article is like the map, leading you to buried treasure. No, I'm not gonna sing I'm the map, even though I know that's what's on your mind right now. This article goes over how to choose the right idea, get a one-of-a-kind supplier, build your store, get your finances in order, we honestly all need that, and market your product. So what are you waiting for? Go check it out. Article 11 is about dropshipping software for new dropshippers. Now that you have your dropshipping store set up, you will need to automate it into a well-oiled machine that works for you. This article goes over some of the most helpful dropshipping apps to automate the process for you. Article number 12 goes over how to find a supplier or manufacturer. If you have already made up your mind and you want to design a one-of-a-kind product with your unique touch, you'll want to look for a manufacturer to help bring it to life. Depending on your business model, you'll be looking for different kinds of suppliers. A manufacturer produces and develops your product. A supplier, wholesaler, or distributor purchases already existing products. A dropshipping company supplies products and fulfills orders of already existing brands and products. So, go study that article and become a scholar in manufacturing. You won't regret it. Article 13 covers branding tools. Your brand identity is how your customers will recognize your brand. When you see a Nike checkmark, you immediately think of their shoes, their mission, and their identity. You might also think of that meme with Shia LaBeouf saying, "Just do it," because that's Nike's slogan. This article will give you some top-notch tools on how to make sure people can recognize who you are as a brand and not confuse you with the guy next door. You might not even like that guy. You do not want people confusing you with him. Shopify has so many incredible tools to help you build your brand identity, like their logo maker and their business card maker. Both are free. It's like a personal assistant helping you along every step of the way so you don't have to waste your precious time on the boring stuff. Article 14 is about how to market your store. If you've already made it this far, you are ahead of the game. Now you get to share your beautiful business baby with the world and shout it from the rooftops using marketing. This article goes over the 12 types of marketing, broken down into 2 categories: traditional and digital marketing. You will not, I repeat, will not regret reading this bad boy. Marketing is about building trust with your customers and encouraging them to buy from you over other competitors. If there is one skill you must have in business, it is marketing. Article 15 goes over the top social media books to read. Social media is not optional anymore if you're building your business. This article goes over 12 books you must read. These books, they're like pure gold. You're getting someone's entire life's work all bundled up into a compact little package for you to devour in just a few hours. It's like a feast for the mind, an adventure you can embark on without leaving your favorite reading spot. So grab a copy, dive in, and let these pages take you on. Don't worry if you don't love to read. That's what audiobooks are for. Article 16 goes over shipping resources for e-commerce businesses. Shipping is an essential factor for all e-commerce businesses. It isn't typically on the minds of new entrepreneurs, but it definitely should be. Applying the information in this article will make your e-commerce shipping experience a lot less painful. The article will run through the best shipping carriers, free or affordable packaging, international shipping, taxes, returns, pricing, automating the process, and ultimately what customers expect from their shipping experience. Article 17 is a business taxes filing guide. Now we have reached your all-time favorite topic, taxes. We all know this is truly the most fun part of running a business, and luckily for you, I'm gonna make it just a little bit less complicated.
Our final actual cost for this year?
Yes, I can see. Why don't you explain this to me like I'm 5?
Of course, this is not financial advice, so please make sure to do your own tax research. This article provides a rundown of tax fundamentals as a business owner. This is for businesses located in the US. If your business is located outside of America, you will likely face different obligations. The article runs through what kind of taxes you must pay, when you need to pay them, tax deductions, and how to file your taxes. It's a pretty sick deal. You won't want to miss out on this one. Article 18 is about scaling your business. Now that you have a functioning business, you will want to scale it. This article goes over the story of Natalie. She started Classy Network when she couldn't find any stylish blue light glasses on the market. So, like any great entrepreneur, she filled in the gap and decided to create her own. In business, it's very important to learn from others who came before you. The best way to become a true master is through applying the learned experience of others. Natalie gives advice on how to launch your product, along with 7 priceless tips on how to scale your business. As a woman who has successfully scaled her own business, she is a wonderful source to learn from. Article 19 is about POS systems for brick and mortars. When you sell a product, you make money. As my Ukrainian mother-in-law calls it, babki. And if you decide to take the brick and mortar route, you will need to set up a POS system, a point of sale system. You can purchase a fully integrated point of sale system right from Shopify. Shopify has a range of POS systems to choose from: the countertop kit, the POS Go, the WisePad. Shopify also carries all the accessories you will need, such as tablet stands, barcode scanners, receipt printers, and more. POS systems are very important because one time I was at a restaurant and the lady came up to me and was taking my order on her iPhone. But I did not know she was taking my order. I thought she was just texting somebody, and it was very awkward. Not a great experience, to say the least. Article 20 is the big summary. Phew, that was a lot. Now you are ready to go into the world and start your new business. To recap, if you want to take your brilliant business idea from A to Z, you will need to come up with a brilliant business idea, decide on your target demographics, choose an e-commerce platform, Shopify is the best, design your website, buy your domain, source your products, study the market and competition like the true detective you are, create a strong brand identity, master social media, choose your shipping methods, prepare business taxes, choose a business structure, connect a payment gateway, launch your store, market your store using Shopify's amazing marketing tips, and lastly, scale your business. You have now just become a little bit wiser, and you have the tools in your hands to take that dream in your heart and make it into a powerful business. I was playing my favorite board game the other day with my family, and I thought to myself, what if this person got afraid or insecure and decided to not release their game? That would be very disappointing because my family would be lacking a big part of our gatherings. This game literally brings us together. And just like my family gatherings would be lacking without this game, the world would be lacking without your unique idea. I know it can be daunting to start a business, but our goal is to help you along the way so you can go out there and solve people's problems with what you have to offer the world. You got this. And lastly, if you are eager to get started on your brilliant business baby, make sure to check out Shopify and start your free trial today. I'm Charisma Collins with Learn with Shopify. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for weekly business tips. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.